Guys, it's Fredmo Plays MC here, and I'm gonna play some Cosmic PvP today. Last time it didn't go so well, but I think it will this time. Me and my friends, what is he? So little Smooth A- HD is gonna play with me, and we're gonna get a lot more subscribers when we play together. And here's up to me. Oh wait, I am recording. Say hey to YouTube. And I just started today, so I threw away everything I had, unless then these four things: a silk touch pickaxe, a really good blaze grinder axe, a cosmic military energy blade, and 9 diamonds. So yeah, and I have. If you didn't know, I have a rank. I'm just gonna say hey to YouTube, and everyone is just gonna spam now. Oh, wait, no, I'm gonna check after. And if you want to join this faction, you just write your in-game name, and we're playing on Cosmic PP. That me. How how much is he gonna pay? Whoa, that's gonna. Oh my god! Holy shit! That's a really good sword. And if you think I'm using hacks, I'm not. This is called Hasuni, and it helps me. It helps me. It helped me. It helps. You could see it says right there. It's because It helps me, and oh, I don't even need that. Oh, okay. That's cool. And I have loads of money now, so we can build something. We're gonna build a base with Little Smith HD, and he's also a YouTuber. I'm just gonna. What is your YouTube name? And guys, if we can hit 5 likes on this episode, I'm gonna freak out because that is many likes. And don't forget to subscribe to Vortex Gaming. He is the Little Smooth HD. I am recording for YouTube. F tile born member member making a base with smooth. Oh, and if you haven't subscribed, don't forget If we hit 20 likes, no, no, if we hit 20 subscribes today or tomorrow, I will post a new video. And that is gonna be awesome. I'm just gonna check how much. Okay, 5 minutes. That's alright. This is just introducing. You can see what I have on right now, and this is what I have right now. So yeah, I'm just gonna end it for this episode. See ya.